In today's video, I'll show you how to use hidden fields in Typeform step by step. Hidden fields are extremely useful when you want to track information behind the scenes without asking users to type it manually. For example, you can use hidden fields to track where a visitor came from, identify campaigns, store customer IDs, or personalize form responses automatically. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. Then, create a new form or open an existing form where you want to use hidden fields. Before setting anything up, build your form normally by adding the questions you need, such as name, email, feedback, or survey questions. Now here's where hidden fields come in. In Typeform, hidden fields are usually added through the form link itself, instead of appearing directly inside the form builder like normal questions. To start, click the Share button in your form. This will generate your public form link. Next, add hidden field parameters to the end of the URL. For example, you might add something like customer ID, campaign name, or traffic source directly into the form link. When someone opens the form using that special link, Typeform automatically captures the hidden information in the background without showing it to the user. This is extremely useful for marketing campaigns, lead tracking, customer support forms, and personalized workflows. For example, if you share your form in different places like email campaigns, social media ads, or websites, hidden fields can help you identify exactly where each response came from. You can also use hidden fields together with logic branching, calculations, or integrations to create more advanced automated workflows inside Typeform. Another useful feature is connecting hidden fields with tools like spreadsheets, CRMs, or automation platforms, so the collected data is stored automatically after each submission. After setting up your hidden fields, always test the form link before sharing it publicly. Open the form yourself, submit a sample response, and confirm the hidden data is being captured correctly inside your results. One important tip is to keep your hidden field names simple and organized. Clear naming makes it much easier to manage your data later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use hidden fields in Typeform to collect extra information automatically behind the scenes. And that's how you use hidden fields in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.